Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to continue to dive into Revenue Cloud to see how it can help automate your business. In this video, we'll walk through how to update product prices in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. We'll cover updating the base price on the product, as well as updating the price once it's added to a quote. Let's start with a quick overview of price books. In Salesforce, price books are used to define the standard prices of your products and services. The standard price book serves as a master list containing the default prices. You can also create custom price books to offer different prices to specific customers or segments, but for this video, we'll focus on updating the standard price. So we are going to take a look at a product in Salesforce now to take a look at the price book entry and see where we'd make our updates. So right now we are looking at a standard product in our Revenue Cloud org. I'm going to click on the related list here and scroll down until I see price books. We'll notice right here, this is using the standard price book. And if I scroll over, I'll be able to see this drop down where I can edit. This price book entry has a list price currently of $1,200. I am going to update it to $1,500. Next up, I will then click Save. After we do this, we are going to need to take a look at our decision tables, which we will cover in the next slide. This is where we start to enter a little bit of new features that come with Revenue Cloud that we have to do that are different than Sales Cloud or CPQ. So after we update the list price and the price book entry on our desired products, we need to go into Setup and update the decision table that is related to price book entries. So I will share my screen and let's take a look. Picking right up where we left off, I'm still on my product. I am going to click on this setup icon and go into setup. That opens into a new tab, so we switched over to that. Now in the quick find box, I will search decision tables. Right here at the bottom, I will find it. I'm going to scroll down until I see my price book entries version 2. That's what we are using in our org, so I'm going to click into this. Right up here in the top right corner, I will click refresh. This can take a few minutes as the alert shows us. Something to keep in mind, Salesforce limits the amount of times you can refresh in a day. So if you can, make sure you update all your products beforehand, and then you can do it in one refresh. So this will take a few minutes, but we will take a look at it when it is done refreshing. Next up, we'll take a look at adding our product to a quote to verify that the pricing is now correct. I'll also show you how we can update the pricing using a sales price once it is added as a quote line to our quote. So first off, we're going to take a look, just double check that our last refresh date now reflects our new refresh. So when we go and we add this product to the quote, we would expect to see the correct pricing. I'm now going to shift to a quote, and I'm going to scroll down to our lines. From this add product search bar, I am going to search for desktop. Then click enter, and I now see desktop with the updated pricing. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and we will see that our pricing is put in right there. I'm going to go ahead and save. And again, this is showing our sales price right now, but once that's saved, we'll see our list price, and then we have our sales price. The sales price is where we would be able to put in a pricing update. So if we really wanted to sell this, we're going to attempt to sell it at $1,400 now to the customer. I can go ahead and click into that. And then once I click enter, I'll have the ability to come down here and click save. That now updates my net unit price and the net total. So now I'm selling this at $1,400. To summarize, it is fairly straightforward to update the pricing of our products in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. It requires a few steps of going in and updating the price book entry and then updating the decision tables. I hope that this video has been helpful for you as you learn more about Revenue Cloud. Revenue Cloud can be a very useful tool, and we are here to help you as you automate your business. If you want to learn more about Revenue Cloud, continue to check out our videos on YouTube. You can also check out our website at solved.cloud. We'd love to find ways that we can help your business. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.